Welcome everyone. It's 9 o'clock. We'll get started with the short poetry workshop tour. Today this is our event for the ACRL Virtual World Interest Group, and that is the Association of College and Research Libraries, division of the American Library Association. You know, people don't realize it's so creative, the power of poetry with all the different forms that you can utilize. So I'm going to stand up and then I'll ask Sunny to lead the way. I know it's going to be this direction, so you all kind of face where we're heading. And we'll all gather over at the Short Poetry Workshop, and you'll see why it's called short when you get there.